here. It's called ow. Do the action with me. Ow, ow, ow. When two vowels walk together, give me one sound. When we put with and walk together, give me one sound. It's called what? Ow, ow, ow. Okay, remember with me. What is this sound? What is this sound? Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Now let's know the friends of this sound. The first friend here. Can you see this picture? What is this picture? Cloud, 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 cloud. Repeat after me. Cloud, cloud. Okay. Can you read this word with me? Let's read it together. Try to read it. The first sound here is called k. L. And this sound together. Say it together. Ow. D. Again, repeat again. K. L. Ow. D. Cloud. Excellent. Repeat again with me. Cloud. So what is this picture? I can hear your voice. Excellent. Cloud. Cloud. Let's see another friend. Oh, what is that picture? I'm so afraid from this picture. What is this picture? Yes, mouse, 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 mouse. Okay, let's read it together. Ow, s. Mouse, mouse. Repeat after me. Mouse. What is this picture? Yes, mouse. Let's see another picture. What is this picture? House, house, house. Read with me, please. House, house. Again, KG. House. Excellent. Let's see another picture. Look at this picture. Mouth. You touch your tongue here. Put it here. Mouth. 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 Let's read it together. Ow. Th. Again. Ow. Th. Okay. And here, this is a noisy voice. Make me loud, loud, loud. So what is this picture? Loud, loud, loud. Let's read it together. L, ow, d. Again. L, ow, d. Loud, loud. Okay. This is the last word of today. Let's read it together, okay? And now, what is this picture? The boy here, make shout, shout, shout. Let's read it together. This is another sound. It's called shh. And this is the sound of today. Ow. T. Again, read with me. Shh. Ow. T. Shout. Repeat after me. Shout. 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 Excellent. Let's know how to try this sound on the board together. Okay, Fiji. Now we will write this diphthong on the board. Okay. Do you remember with me the sound of today? Yes, it's called ow. 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 Do the action with me, please. Ow. Ow. Okay. When we write this sound, we write it in lowercase, not in uppercase, just in lowercase. Do you remember when we write? We have 3 lines. Line number 1, and line number 2, and line number 3. But when we write this sound, L, we will write it start from line number 2 because we will write it in lowercase. Okay, in this sound I have 2 vowels. Works together, give me one sound. So it's be friends, friends. So I will write it here. Up, side, up, together. So give me L. Okay, how can I write up, up? Start from line number 2. I will make a round to line number 3. And in the side of up, I will write up, up, up. I will start here from line number 2. Down, round, up, down, and flat. What is that diphthong? L. L. Write it again with me. Round. And another one. Down, round, up, down, and flat. What is that diphthong? Okay, this is the sound of today. Okay, now KG, we will solve this sheet together. Okay, can you see this picture? Can you remember with me? What is this picture? Mouse. Excellent. Mouse. Where is mouse here? Can you see this? Okay, this is mouse. Let's write it together here. So this picture is what? Mouse. Mouse. Okay, here in the middle there is what? Owl. Owl. Okay. Let's look at you. What is this picture? Out. 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 Excellent. Out. Where is out here? Yes. Here. This is out. The word out. Let's write it. Okay, so what is this picture? Out. 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 Okay, and here. What is this picture? Can you remember with me? We take it before. Yes. Mouse. Mouse. Where is the word mouse here? Is this mouse? No. Is this mouse? No. Is this mouse? Yeah, that's right. Let's write it here. So, what is this picture? Mouse. Mouse. Okay, and here, what is that picture? Yes, it's cloud. Cloud. Where is cloud here? Is this cloud? Let's read it together. Cloud, yeah, that's right. Let's write together here. Cloud, cloud. Yes, and here in this picture. What is this picture? Can you remember? Yes, excellent. House, house. Yes, where is house here? Is this house? No. Is this house? Yes. Let's write it here together. House. Repeat after me. House. House. Okay. And here, what is this noisy? What is this? Loud. Loud. Where is loud here? Is this loud? Loud? No. Is this loud? Let's read it together. Loud. That's right. Let's write it here. Loud. Repeat after me. Loud. Loud. Okay, the last picture here. What she do here? She shout. 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 Where is shout here? Yes, it's here. Let's write it together. Shout. 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 Excellent. Let's solve another sheet and the last sheet together. Here first word here. Try to read it. House. 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 Where is the picture of house? Is it the picture of house? No. Is this a picture of house? No. Is this a picture of house? Yes, right. Let's make a match. That's right. So the picture of house is that. Okay, let's read another word. Read it with me, please. Mouse. 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 Can you remember where is the picture of mouse? Is this mouse? No. Is this mouse? No. Is this mouse? Yes, excellent, KG. Make a match here. That's right, mouse. Another word. This word, read with me. Sh. Out. Shout.